Mermaid Makeup Brushes Set. Perfect for the mermaid queen who is looking to shine in royalty all day every day. This makeup brush set is sure to achieve any look and is ideal for applying eyeshadow, foundation, concealer, and setting powder. No more stiff foundation brush that feels like sandpaper on your skin. This Mermaid Makeup Brush Set is made of super soft, fluffy, synthetic long-lasting fibers, gentle to your skin, not only beautiful but easy to grip also. This Mermaid Makeup Brush Set not only makes you feel beautiful but fitting and protecting your sensitive skin. "11 pieces multifunction Mermaid Makeup Brushes Set to cover your multiple needs of the application, such as foundations, contouring the forehead and cheekbones, concealer, eyeshadow, sculpting eyebrows, blusher. Multi-sized brushes will meet your various needs of makeup. Stylish gradient multiple color, delicate soft nylon bristles with 3D mermaid fish scale aluminum tube premium plastic handle, will give you an incredible touch feeling and fashion visual feel. Suitable for individual use or as a gift to your families or friends. Used on daily makeup, business trip, holiday travel, office makeup, locker room makeup, party temporary makeup, easy to sort out after use. Shipping information. This special item is available with free shipping. You can expect your package to arrive in 15-30 business days. We offer money-back guarantee. Addition to that, we make sure that you only pay for the best quality product. So we also offer an easy refund policy.